got LG phone. I think this is a style phone, whatever it's called. As you can see, we got a big problem here. Sorry for the quality. But we got a big problem. We got a crack, and I found the most legit way to get rid of these cracks. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna look decent enough that the cracks are gonna disappear. Like these smaller cracks, this I'm not guaranteed to get rid of. So how do I get rid of these cracks, you might say? Well, all you need is some glue, a glue 6 whatever. You have to get the clear one. And all you want to do is just start doing this to the screen. Just start gluing it down. Just start smashing it. As you can see, look, the cracks are already disappearing. See, you gotta do it both ways, down and side, so you make sure those cracks are nicely covered. So yeah, you can do this as many times as you want. I recommend at least like 2-3 rounds depending. As you can see, it has been fully covered in glue. So now what I recommend you guys doing is just leaving this overnight. Just letting it seep into the cracks, and just letting it just stick real good, and then the rest you can just clean it the very next day with some type of alcohol wipe or something. So we're gonna wait until the very next day. I can't wait till the very next day, because I have to release this video immediately. I can't wait for this thing to dry up and be like an idiot. So the most easiest way is just to put it in your freezer, honestly. So what I'm just gonna do is just probably freeze this up. It's all okay, so it's been like probably like 20 seconds in the freezer, and now you can clean it off with a nice paper towel. As you can see, I'm telling you, the big cracks, they're not gonna be disappearing. It's very stuck on there. So hold up, let me just rinse this under water. All right. Let's try this real quick. All right. So you see that the cracks are still there, right? The cracks are still there, but we're missing one big important step. Just the biggest important step that we're just missing out. This is the most important step that there is in history. You have to do this method, or it's not gonna fill all the cracks in with the glue. Now the glue is in there. It is in there. So the most important step that you have to do, this is only right if your screen is like cracked up like this, not like this. It doesn't work. It's too cracked up. Doesn't work if your screen is cracked up like this, or if the back glass is cracked. You can do this with back glass, but it can crack like this. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work on these type of screens like this. You can see it can work on like that, but not this. And it cannot work on that crack right there. You can see the little cracks. It does work on that, but one big important step that you guys are missing: make your screen look like almost a brand new phone. I did it on this phone and it worked completely. It worked. This phone used to have a cracked screen and it works. Don't mind the back. But this phone used to have a cracked screen, and now it doesn't because of this method. So what you want to do, right, is just get yourself like some tool. Any tool can work. It has to be something big and heavy. And what you want to do is just start smashing it. Smash that! Alright. You see? It's all brand new. Also check the date today. It might make sense why I'm doing this.